Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abhinav, and in this video today I'll be telling about how to prepare for any exam in a very short time. So you may think that this is quite impossible, but remember nothing is impossible. So I'll be telling you five important strategies with which you can prepare for any exam in a very short time. So this motivation came actually from the Hitler's Blitzkrieg attack. So it's not about how much time you have or what what the raw materials that you have. It's about how well you strategize it, how well you execute the plan. So it all depends on those things. So even if you have very short time before any exam, do not worry. You can try using these five strategies and see the result for yourself. Before we start this video, I just want to tell you something. So for any exam, if you see, it will take at least 6 to 8 months of preparation would be needed. But not everyone starts at that time. Many of them would start from the middle. So many of them would apply just before 3 months or 2 months and start preparing from that time. So it doesn't necessarily mean that if you start late, your rank is not going to be better. It's not like that. It's all about your strategy and your plans and how will you execute them. So a good strategy and a good plan will help you score better than who have been preparing for 6 to 8 months. So that's all about the introduction, and let's jump into the video. So the first strategy and the important thing will be making a study plan. So study plan, it's not like a fixed thing for everyone. You will have to design your own study plan if you have a very short time, because you know about yourself more than anyone else. So you should make a study plan which you must stick to it dedicatedly. So make sure that you make a study plan and make it for each day. So it's not like making a study plan for the 3 months and trying to catch up in between. So make a study plan for each day and try to complete the deadlines within that day. So don't postpone anything. So whatever you have planned for today, you should have completed it today. So micro strategize your study plan, and the important thing is that you should stick to the schedule. And I will request each member to prepare their own study plan which suits them better compared to any other study plan. So that was the first thing. The second thing what I want to say is that we can also use another method called as active recall and spaced repetition. So this is a very nice method to study. So active recall and spaced repetition. What does it mean is that whenever you study something, you tend to forget it within some time. So what you will have to do is you will have to revise it again and again. So instead of revising it, active recall is like uh, uh, thinking about a question from which you have studied earlier and trying to answer it. For example, you can solve MCQ books. So if you study now, then tomorrow you're going to solve the questions from that chapter. So that is active recall. And the spaced interval is that now you will today you're studying a topic. So tomorrow you'll be solving the questions of that topic. So what you will have to do is after 1 week you will have to solve questions of the same topic. Then after 1 month you'll have to solve questions of the same topic. So your interval of solving the questions from the topic should increase little by little so that it sticks longer to your memory. So this is an very good method to use, and I have tried it also. It's really nice. So for active recall, you can either use MCQ books or you can also use flashcards, which are available online also. So this is the second important thing. The third important thing is that what you can do is that you can focus on very important chapters. So remember that you are having a very short time and you cannot go through everything. So what you will have to do is you will have to select the important topics. You will have to select the important topics and you will have to study it, or you will have to give importance to those topics. So how will you know which topic is important? You can check the previous year question papers. So the next important thing is that solving previous year question papers. So if you solve the last 3 to 5 year question paper, you will come to know which topic is very important and where you will have to focus more. So usually in every exam, if they have asked a question from a topic, so there are most chances that in the upcoming years, another question can come from that topic. So if you open a book, it can be like 1,000 pages. So you're not going to read all the 1,000 pages if you have very short time. So you will have to know which topics are very important, for which you will have to check the previous year questions. And solving the previous year questions is also going to be really helpful for you, no matter whatever the exam that you are going to get. So remember, you will have to solve previous year questions and do active recall and those kind of things. And the fifth and final and quite important thing is also having good sleep. So many of them in the verge of preparing for the exam do not sleep properly. Sleeping properly for at least 7 hours a day is really important. So if you are not sleeping properly today, tomorrow you are going to feel tired, and the preparation for the whole day is going to be messed up. So having a good sleep is always important and never compromise for it. So try to sleep at least for 7 hours, wake up fresh the next day, and stick to your schedule very properly. So these are the five very important and useful strategies to prepare for any exam within a short time. So whatever we have seen is that first you will have to make a study plan which suits you. The second important thing is that so you can do active recall and you can do active recall and spaced repetition techniques. And what you can do is that you can solve previous year questions and mainly concentrate on the important topics and have a very good sleep. These are my five recommendations for you to study for any exam within a short time. Remember, strategizing and planning and executing it is really important. So we have planned it now very beautifully. So we'll have to slowly commit to our plan. We'll have to stick to the plan no matter whatever happens. So the dedication that you are going to give to the 2 to 3 months before your exam is going to be really helpful. So studying very intensely for a short period of time is going to be really helpful. That too before the exam, you are going to remember it very well also. So remember, plan wisely and execute it very well. And I'm sure that whatever exam you're going to attend in the next 2 to 3 months, with this five important strategies, it is going to be really helpful to you. So all the best for you, no matter whatever exam you're taking. And let's see you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.